Welcome to the Airliner1 FMC Instructor Training System. The Airliner1 training system is adaptable to a variety of training needs. Whether for pilots, maintenance personnel, engineers, or students, the system allows you, the instructor, the ability to create customized CDU-based lessons to fit your training requirements. This video will give you an introduction to the features available that make up the FMC training system. Later videos will go into depth on how to create pages, events, and rules for your lessons, and how the system enables the hardware CDU to function as it does in a live aircraft environment. The main Airliner1 FMC Instructor interface is presented here. This is where you will build your lessons, which run within the Airliner1 CDU hardware. We will show you the hardware in action at the end of this video. The soft CDU, highlighted in red, is fully functional to allow you to set up and test your individual lessons. The Lesson Setup section contains a lesson title as well as lesson information that gives a description of the lesson contents. This can be comprised of a single lesson or a collection of lessons within a lesson group. The buttons in the left column allow access to all the actions and accessories you will use as part of the system. These buttons will be explained in a later video. All lesson construction will take place in the Instructor Tools section, utilizing input and pages from the soft CDU. The Instructor Tools section has three modes of operation. Following the cursor, we show View, Edit, and Rule mode. View mode allows you to view all of your created lesson pages. Pages can be categorized for easy access. In Edit mode, you create, edit, and categorize pages, as well as utilize special page scripting that will be discussed in more detail in a later video. Rule mode allows you to create all the events and rules that make up your lesson. It is this area that brings the system to life and allows it to act like its real-world counterpart. There are a few additional areas we will introduce to you here. Later videos will cover these sections in greater detail. The script editor, which is accessible in rule mode, allows you to build custom scripts. Scripts are optional and are very easy to implement. The Script Command Builder allows you to easily create script commands, eliminating the need to learn a complicated scripting language. Now let's open the Sound Manager. The Sound Manager allows you to select sounds for your lessons. Here we will test a few sounds that have already been added to the database.
Don't think. Think rate. Pull up.
The sound recorder also allows you to create voice overlays for any step of your lesson. You can record sounds directly from your built-in laptop or PC microphone. Let's open the Document Viewer. The Document Viewer allows you to attach documentation to your lessons, including document pages that automatically follow steps in the lesson. The Document Viewer also acts as an editor with all of the customary document editing features. In the event you choose to use the optional P5 panel, you will select your switch positions here. Let's run through a basic start to a lesson. We have already started the Instructor tool with a sample lesson loaded. The lesson starts when we select the Begin Lesson button. This will initiate the APU bite test. Please observe the soft CDU as we step through the lesson. This is how you can test your lesson, as what you see here will work exactly the same when using the hardware CDU. We will stop here at the Input Monitoring page and demonstrate this exact lesson using our hardware platform. The console display shows the software in the mode the students will access, with the document page open. Students do not need to have access to the design tools. We will now initiate the APU bite test. We will show you a few pages within the APU bite test. Finally, we will quickly show you the perf-init lesson that was built earlier. This will demonstrate how the Airliner1 FMC Instructor can be used in multiple training environments. In addition to linear lessons, you can also offer different lesson paths or data options. Here, 320 or 32,000 can both be accepted as valid options for the cruise altitude. We will now complete the perf-init page by pressing the Execute button. This concludes our demonstration. Please check back for more videos. If you have any questions or need more information regarding our training system, please feel free to contact us via our website at www.airliner1.com.